दोस्तों अभी हमारे पास है जामिया के हिस्ट्री 2021 का क्वेश्चन पेपर, जिसका एग्ज़ाम कल यानी 13 अगस्त को हुआ था। हमारे पास अभी सेट सी है, तो चलिए इसे सॉल्व करते हैं। पद्मावत वाज रिटेन बाय मालिक मोहम्मद जायसी, ऑप्शन नंबर ए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, गुजरात became independent of Delhi Sultanate in 15th century under the leadership of Muzaffar Khan. Question number 3. Eklavya Devji, a form of Lord Shiva, is the official deity of which of the Rajput kingdom? इसका ऑप्शन नंबर डी, सिसोदिया ऑफ मेवाड़। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. तबाकत ए नासिरी, a Persian text of the 13th century, was written by? इसका ऑप्शन नंबर ए हो जाएगा मिनहाज उस सिराज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. मलफूजात इन सूफी ट्रेडिशन आर दी कन्वर्सेशन ऑफ सूफी सेंस, ऑप्शन नंबर डी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. तूतीनामा टेल्स ऑफ द पैरट वाज इलस्ट्रेटेड इन द कोर्ट ऑफ विच मुगल एम्पेयर? अकबर, ऑप्शन नंबर बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Which Mughal emperor launched campaign to Central Asia to reclaim the land belonging to his ancestors? Option number C, Shahjahan. Question number 8. The most valuable item exported from Golconda in the 17th century was diamond S. Question number 9. Humayunama is a primary text on Mughal India was written by Gulbadan Begum. Option number B. Question number 10. The Treaty of Purandar was signed between the Mughals and the Marathas. Option number A. Question number 11. Which among the following is not regarded as the primary cause of decline of Mughal? Option number B. Agrarian disturbance. Question number 12. The Cholas of the 9th century South India had their base at? Option number B. Thanjavur. Question number 13. The first printing press was made in the 15th century by Johannes Gutenberg. Option number C. The hypothesis of geocentric universe was proved wrong by Copernicus. Option number B. In 1419, Vasco da Gama reached India and landed in? Option number A, Calicut. Question number 16. Industrial Revolution first began in Great Britain. Option number D. Who composed the original draft of America Declaration of Independence? Option number C, John Adams. Question number 18. The Ottoman conquered Constantinople in 1453 under the leadership of Mehmed II. Option number A. Question number 19. Apart from Giuseppe Mazzini, the Young Italy movement was led by? इसका ऑप्शन नंबर ए हो जाएगा गरीबाल्डी। Question number 20. Which Mongol ruler formally put an end to the Abbasid Khilafat in 1258? इसका ऑप्शन नंबर सी, हलगू खान। Question number 21. Which among the following European powers of the 19th century was regarded as the sick man of Europe? Ottoman Empire. Option number B. Question number 22. Which of the following treaty was signed between the Allies and the Austrian-Hungary after the First World War? Option number B. Treaty of Saint-Germain. Question number 23. Which among the following was not a leader of the Bolshevik revolution in Russia? इसका ऑप्शन नंबर ए, कार्ल मार्क्स। Question number 24. Who is known as the father of modern medicine? इसका ऑप्शन नंबर सी, हिप्पोक्रेट्स। Question number 25. Which of the following country was not a part of Axis power in the Second World War? China. Option number C. Question number 26. In North India, the period of 600 to 300 BCE, known as the period of second urbanization, marked a culture associated with poetry called? Option number A. Northern black polished ware. Question number 27. Early Buddhist and Jain texts mention 16 powerful states that flourished in the 6th century BC, known as Mahajanpadas. Which of the following was not a part of it? Ujjain. Option number D. Question number 28. The Indian movie Maqbool was an adaptation of which Shakespeare play? Option number C. Macbeth. Question number 29. In the Tamil country from 6th century onward, Murugan was identified with? Option number C. Askand. Question number 30. Karakkal Ammayar was the only women saint composer in the? Option number A. Shaivite tradition. Question number 31. Name the major rock erudite of Ashoka that explained and summarized the Dhamma. Option number D. 13th. Question number 32. The first ever long inscription of in chest Sanskrit was issued by? इसका option number A. Rudraman first. Question number 33. Who was the first physician of Kanishk? Option number C. Charaka. Question number 34. In South India, in early historical period, Sangam was an academy of poets under the patronage of Pandya kings. Option number A. Question number 35. Which among the following rulers was eulogized in the Allahabad pillar inscription? Option number D. Samudragupta. Question number 36. The umbrella stone is a unique style of pit burial pellicular to? Option number C. Kerala. Question number 37. The Kuban missile crisis occurred during the tenure of American President John F. Kennedy. Option number C. Question number 38. Which of the following was the motto of French Revolution? Liberty, equality and fraternity. Option number B. Question number 39. In which year the English King John was forced to sign Magna Carta? Question number 39. Option number C. 1215. Question number 40. In his novel Hard Times, Charles Dickens depicted the horrors of? Question number 40. Option number C. Industrialization. Question number 41. After which battle the English got the Diwani right of Bihar, Bengal and Orissa? Option number B. Battle of Buxar. Question number 42. Who among the following was the minister and chief advisor of Nana Sahib Peshwa? Option number B. Azimullah Khan. Question number 43. The Kothari Commission of 1964 was concerned with education. Option number B. Question number 44. Under the permanent settlement, the Jamindar's share in the collected land revenue was? Option number C. 1/11. Question number 45. Who was the founder of the Asiatic Society of Bengal? Option number B. William Jones. Question number 46. Who founded the self-respect movement? Periyar. Who among the following was the founder of the Khudai Khidmatgar movement? Option number D. Abdul Ghaffar Khan. The Government of India Act 1990 clearly defines the? Question number 48. Option number D. Power of the Secretary of the State for India and the Viceroy. Question number 49. Rabindranath Tagore gave up his knighthood because of Jallianwala Bagh tragedy. Option number A. Question number 15. The Opium War was fought between? Option number A. Britain and China. Question number 51. Who was the sole representative of the Congress in the second round table conference in 1931? Mahatma Gandhi. What proposal was made in the August offer of 1940? Question number 52. Option number B. Dominion State. Question number 53. Who was not a member of cabinet mission which arrived in Delhi in 1946? Option number C, Lord Mountbatten. Question number 54. Which calamity of colonial India was regarded as the main man-made famine? Option number A, Bengal famine of 1943. Which Governor General of India was primarily responsible for the suppression of Thugee? Option number D, Lord William Bentinck. India became a republic in 1950. Option number C. Who is considered as the father of economics? Option number C, Adam Smith. The second five-year plan was introduced in the year, option number C, 1956. Question number 59. Who was the founder of All India Trade Union Congress? Option number D, N.M. Joshi. Question number 60. Where was the first British colony in India set up? Masulipatam. Option number D. Question number 61. Raya Ka Kamu is a text written about the ruler of which dynasty? Option number D, Thulwas of Vijayanagar. Question number 62. Which of the Delhi Sultanate has been depicted as relieving Vishnu of all his warriors in the Palam Bauli inscription? Option number B, Yasuddin Balban. Question number 63. Origin of the species is written by? Option number C, Charles Darwin. Question number 64. Bihu is a festival associated with which state? Assam. Ostrich, the largest living bird in the world, is today found in its natural habitat only in? Option number B, Africa. Question number 66. Who coined the phrase Neolithic Revolution? Option number A, V. Gordon Childe. Question number 67. The ash mound from Deccan represent the site where? Option number A, persons were cremated. Question number 68. At which Harappan site terracotta model of plough is found? Option number B, Banavali. Question number 69. Which of the following metals was not used by the Harappan? Option number C, iron and tin. Question number 70. Which of the following Brahman text belong to the Rig Veda? Option number Which of the following Brahman text belong to the Rig Veda? Option number C, Atriya Brahmana. Question number 71. What is the normal blood oxygen level in a human body? Option number B, 75 to 100 mmHg. Question number 72. In Vedic term, RTA stand for? 72. Option number A, moral order. Question number 73. The earliest reference to the division of society into fourfold, a hymn of book 10 of Rig Veda Samhita occurs in? Option number C, Purush Sukta. Question number 74. Which American president formally recognized Jerusalem as the capital of Israel? Option number D, Donald Trump. Question number 75. Which country was the runner-up of 2019 Cricket World Cup? Option number A, New Zealand. Question number 76. In early India, Mudra Rakshasa is a play written by? Option number C, Vishaka Datta. Option number 77. COVID-19 is caused by coronavirus known as SARS-CoV-2. Option number A. Question number 78. Atal Tunnel, the highest altitude tunnel in the world, connects Manali to Lahaul Spiti Valley. Option number B. Question number 79. Tianwen-1, China's first interplanetary mission, is the first Chinese spacecraft to orbit? Option number C, Mars. In India, Nirmala Sitharaman is the Minister of Finance. Option number D. Question number 81. Who is the first Asian man to win a lead acting Emmy? Option number A, Riz Ahmed. Question number 82. George Floyd, whose death sparked protest throughout America, belonged to the state of? Option number C, Mississippi. Question number 83. Hagia Sophia Museum, originally founded as a cathedral, is in Istanbul. Option number D. Question number 84. Which of the following animals is associated with the Jain Tirankara Mahavir? Option number D, lion. Question number 85. The term Mamluks used for the early sultans of Delhi denotes? Option number C, military slaves. Question number 86. Astadhyayi, written by Panini, is considered a major work on grammar. Option number C. Question number 87. Which article of the Constitution provides for an independent election commission? Option number A, Article 324. Question number 88. Azadi, Freedom, Fascism, Fiction is written by Arundhati Roy. Option number C. Question number 89. Bharatanatyam is a dance form developed and popular in? Option number D, Tamil Nadu. Question number 90. Raja Library, a repository of manuscript in classical language, is located in which of the following cities? Option number B, Rampur. Question number 91. Which forests are the most widespread forest in India? Option number B, tropical deciduous forest. Question number 92. What is the total number of public sector bank in India after recent mergers? Question number 92, option number C, 12. Question number 93. Sharing of water from Feni River is a part of MOU signed by India with which neighbor? Option number B, Bangladesh. Question number 94. Which among the nationalist leaders were associated with the foundation of Jamia Millia Islamia, founded in 1920? Option number D, Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 95. The positivity charged ion is called cation. Option number B. Question number 96. Acid rain occurs due to? Air pollution. Option number D. Question number 97. In which battle of Tarain did Muhammad Ghori defeat Prithviraj Chauhan? Option number B, second. Question number 98. Alauddin Khilji built the city of? Option number B, Siri. Question number 99. Abdul Razzaq, the ambassador of ruler of Persia, visited the court of which Vijayanagar ruler? Option number B, Dev Raya II. Question number 100. Which of the following was the first capital of the Bahmani Sultans? Option number C, Gulbarga. So, this was the total answer of set 3 of Jamia BA History Entrance Exam 2021. Thanks for the watching. Please subscribe for recent updates.